Hi everyone, Ashley here with Wiggle and Move. I've got my stars and my stripes on today because we're going to talk a little bit about voting. So go to our website and print out our voting ballot. You can print this out and I'm going to show you how it works today. So you're going to pick your ballot, grab a pencil or crayon or pen, and you're gonna check off your vote. So I have options to reach up high to the sky or down low to the floor. I could walk slow or fast. So I'm going to go through and I'm gonna pick a bunch of these. I'm gonna pick my favorites because I'm voting for my choices. Then when you're done checking off all your choices, you see my checks look like this one. Once I'm done making all my choices, I'm going to do all of these movements. So if I chose to reach down low instead of up high, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna do them all in a row. We call that a sequence. So I'm gonna do a movement sequence from all the choices I've made on my voting ballot. And that's how we get moving and learn about making choices and voting. Thank you. Have fun. Keep wiggling and moving.